Shout out to our sponsor Hang Time, which is an app where you can go on and compete against your friends to win cash prizes. They have trivia shows and various games on there. It's a ton of fun. The link to download the app is down in the description below, so definitely check it out and go ahead and get on there and have fun playing some games and check out the 5 trivia shows which we will be doing about skateboarding starting in May. Some members of the Braille team will be on there now, so you guys want to get the app and get started, and we will see you in the app within the games as you play. The app is available on the Apple Store or Google Play. The link is also right down there, so go ahead and check it out. On to the video.
What's up, Braille?
Where's Aaron?
Sir, I've made you a board. This is called the Zuck. It's the
what?
newest invention of the internet. I guess you could call it a meme. I'm sure many of you know what it is.
Why does he have scales?
Well, because Mark Zuckerberg is said to be a half lizard, half cyborg. So that's why you can see like a red eye. Faintly, you can see like it's red.
So I'm not sure if I should ask this again, but why are there scales? Do cyborgs have scales?
He's a lizard.
Oh, lizard, not cyborg?
Have you ever heard about the Illuminati?
No. What will we do?
I think we should definitely try to kickflip, bubble flip.
If you bubble flip it,
I'll
I
bubble
will be
flip it.
more than proud. Like a father holding his newborn child for the first
And I'll
time.
feel like I have a dad
For the first time.
for the first time. Let's do it.
Oh,
Come
wow,
on.
right through the chin?
Damn.
Is this mean? I feel like this is mean.
That's very mean.
Mean or meme?
Both.
So you made this.
Yeah.
You cut
I almost
this
cut my
yourself?
fingers and then Gabe lost the footage on accident.
He almost cut his fingers and his hand off, and then
Yeah.
Gabe lost the footage. What a friend.
Mario, you gotta explain what the Zuck is.
Honestly, I don't even think Mark Zuckerberg knows what the Zuck is.
I don't get it. Am I supposed to get it? Should I get it?
I don't
Should
think you're
know?
supposed to get it. You're just supposed to watch the memes and then you'll understand the joke. You're not supposed to get it, Aaron. Just go along with the flow.
You
Look
did
at
a
the-
really good job,
look at the
Mario.
shape.
And I'm so proud of you.
It's like the first thing that I can be proud of.
Who's that?
Who would like to go first?
Pelicans.
Fetty, get over here!
You got a nollie flip down the 5?
That feels kind of flimsy. Let's do that a little bit later, okay?
I thought after Lance was no longer here, we would never have another board like this ever again. Insert Mario.
This video was completely Mario's idea.
Fully Mario's idea, guys. Thank you, Mario. Well done. Well played.
Please don't hate me.
Whoa, Mario, come on, man.
Oh my gosh, a bubble flip? Are you serious? It was one of the better bubble flips I've ever seen in my days of
I
bubble
have
flipping.
Facebook. I'm giving him a poke.
Oh,
Aaron, when's the last time you used Facebook?
today and every day. Thank you, Mark Zuckerberg. Oh! The world's best bubble flip!
My job here is done.
Please friend Mario on Facebook right now. The link will be in the description below.
Ah, you're no sliding.
You got this, Captain. Oh, the Zuck!
How do you think that feels in the back of his neck, Fetty? Look at this.
Probably Zucks.
Oh, these jokes are just...
All Zucks.
Oh, Zuck.
First, Zuck!
The Zuck got you. Oh! Zuck stand finger flip. This is a historical board. I want to get a trick on it.
Gabe just wants to do one trick before you break
sorry.
it. We're playing Don't Break This, so if you break it, you lose. Wow. Like a ramp.
The Zuck.
Okay, Gabe, you got that. It was actually a well-executed... No! No, no, no! He breaks everything.
The Zuck, he's in my
I
head.
got like $3 that says he's gonna break this on this varial flip. That was well landed.
He'll flip it?
When did you get so good?
I don't know, I've been skating a little bit the last few days.
And there it goes. Fetty, stop!
Dude,
Wow, look at that new diet you're on.
wow, keep going.
Facebook and Facebook.
Thank you, FP. Oh, I got that. Zuck! The nightmare flip, aka the Zucker flip. One try, first try, right here.
Wow.
I'm over it.
Don't break the board. Whoever breaks it loses. Game of skate. Start. Wait, he got this angle. Oh, wow. Who won that?
He won that.
Here we go, Fetty. Don't break the board. In Ohio, they call that dirty. I am so sorry, but I had a shot of your glutinous.
Does it look good though?
Oh,
The Zuck got me.
Zuck! Rowan, get over here and judge this. You're the judge. Call it as it is.
Zuck.
It's the pressure of the game of skate. It's getting to you. Don't let it get to you. Just
I think I cracked Zuck's head.
if you do and he breaks it, you win. That was cheater. Like, come on. I gotta teach you that. I gotta teach you how to do that. This is your chance, bro. He's just so dang good. He needs to stop it. Some call that a V-flip, some call varial. I'm not sure if I filmed that, but he landed the varial flip. It'd be great if every now and then, Fetty, you just missed and got a letter. I thought for sure he was gonna break his head off. How did that feel?
Right in the
Scary.
That's what I'm talking about. I actually stepped away because I was so scared of the velocity of spin on that board.
I definitely thought it was gonna break. I'm really enjoying my new pants. Late flip.
And then out of everything he could try, he goes fakie double flip. Never seen you land primo so hard. Are you okay?
No.
Wow, that was well executed. You got that, you got that. If you land it right here, we'll give it to you. Said Fetty, he said it, you're in still. Right here, one more try. That was like all the way in the air. That was like an inward heel flip, late backside body varial. Well played. How that did not break, I have no idea. There he goes again. Got him! Rowan, what do you think of that?
It was beautiful. He does it with so much ease and grace.
Wow. It took everything I had in me to not just chuck your camera right there.
These went right in my eyes, and I could not see the entire time.
Wow. I've never seen him move like that before. Oh, the Zuck! What? That's my trick. You better not learn that. I will never be able to beat you in skate again. Judge! What did you not like about that?
The man has toes.
He does have toes. Now it is T to T?
Fetty literally could have ended this game 10 minutes ago. I appreciate it.
What was wrong with that?
The man has toes.
God! Land this nollie flip and then triple flip. Oh, you had it! Just one more try. It's not a big deal.
That was fun.
That was fun. Well played. You did good. If Fetty lands this, Rowan will jump up the 5 with the stilts.
At least one try?
I'll give it a try if you get me the wrist
Here's
things.
what I think you need to do is run, give it the best jump you can, and just, wow, go for it. Betty, we need this.
I'm popping off someone's face, so it's weird. This is for Instagram.
Rebate.
That's actually like really freaky.
You got it, Rowan.
I hurt my toe.
Are you okay, Rowan? For the record, when I found these, and he wasn't even here, I said, Rowan is never allowed to use these. Weirdly enough, now he's the best out of anybody. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You definitely did it with a lot of style. That worked out so well.
What was that for?
If he lands it, I'll give it another go.
Oh, are you ready to rumble?
I tried 1 foot that time.
Oh my.
He didn't even jump, he just tripped.
Are you gonna give it another go? Yeah, yeah.
Do not try this at home, kids.
Never.
This is all you, Rowan. Yeah! Full send.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, 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 thank each and every single one of you. Do not take this video too seriously. Please, get out of here. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a lot of fun to make. Please do not take it too seriously. Click right here to watch all the other videos in this playlist, and then we want each and every single one of you guys to learn how to skateboard. So go to BrailleSkateboarding.com, get your shirts, get your skateboards, but most importantly, get your how to skateboard videos. Skateboarding Made Simple will teach you how to skateboard. It is the most detailed video ever made. Thank you very much. I'll see you as you're learning to skate this summer. Let's go. Once again, huge shout out to our partner Hang Time. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out the app. The link is in the description below. You can also go to Google Play or the Apple Store and search Hang Time. Get on there and invite your friends. You guys will earn prizes, cash prizes, and you can play against the other Braille team members who will be on there in the coming weeks. Remember, the Braille skateboarding trivia shows start in May. Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get Skateboarding Made Simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to BrailleSkateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.